The new version of a platform has been released, and these days everyone is talking about it. Anyone who has tried it has experienced a completely different way of creating videos, and now, with its new features, it has reached a whole new level. Pollo AI 2.0. This is the new version of the tool known as an all-in-one video generator. It's a tool that handles all aspects of video production in one place, without the need for any additional services. From creating images and animations to producing videos, adding sound, applying effects, generating consistent characters, extending videos, and even creating music, everything is included in this single platform. What sets Pollo 2.0 apart from previous versions and many competitors is its quality, speed, and new features. Designed for all types of users, from beginners to professional creators and big brands. The workspace is very simple and easy to use, and you'll be surprised that so many features are packed into such an interface. Use the link in the description to access the site, and you'll see that anyone can work with it easily. Once you enter the site and click the Start button, you need to create a Pollo account to get started. After logging in, you can change the interface language to the one you prefer. Once you reach Pollo's homepage, you can see all the features of this tool and select any section you want to work with. Let's move on to the section we are using today, Pollo version 2. Click on AI video to enter this section. Here you can easily bring your ideas to life and create trending content. There's a menu on the left where you can choose which feature you want to use based on your needs. Let me walk you through what you can do with it. Image to video. In this section, you can create a video from an image you have, either one you made in advance or one generated inside Pollo itself. To understand how to work with it, first, set the model to Pollo 2.0. Then upload your image. Use your prompt to tell the tool what to do. You can write your prompt in any language, and it can even translate it for you. For example, I upload this image and tell it to create a promotional video featuring my product. Now, the exciting part is generate audio, which puts it ahead of many competitors. By clicking this option and specifying it in your prompt, it can create sound design or add dialogue for your video. I wrote in my prompt that I want the video to have sound design. Next, set the video duration between 5 to 10 seconds. You can also tell it how many outputs to generate. Each output will be different, and you can choose the best one. By clicking on options, you can adjust more settings for your video, including resolution. The next option is related to making your video public in the platform's Explore section, so other users can see your video by enabling public visibility. Copy protection lets you hide the source of the video and the prompt, so no one sees what you used to create it. Finally, click Generate, and in a short time, it gives you the best output. Look at the video produced from a raw image. You can use it as a promotional video. For text to video, the steps are similar. You just create your video using a text prompt. Consistent character. Pollo 2.0 can create a single character with a consistent appearance across multiple videos or scenes. What does this mean? If you create a character, for example, a girl with silver hair, a blue jacket, and a specific logo on her outfit, Pollo will reproduce the same character with the same features in all subsequent videos. This feature is excellent for storytelling, serial content, short animations, brand character, or mascot creation, even educational and advertising purposes. Now, I'll show you an example of the character I want and what kind of video it can generate. I want to use Brad Pitt's face. To get better results, upload as many images of the character as possible. The more you upload, the better the output. I uploaded my image and wrote my prompt. I want the video to be a cinematic slow motion style, which looks interesting. In this section, you can also use the sound generation feature. Then adjust the resolution and set the video duration from 1 to 8 seconds. You can also choose the video format. Click Create Video and it produces the best output in the shortest time. If you weren't familiar with Pollo before, you might think this video is real and that it's actually Brad Pitt, but now you know how it was created and you can do it yourself. You must have seen viral videos online featuring cats or kittens. I'll show you how to create videos like that using AI Shorts. Select the video type. Let's set it to animal short. You can upload an image or use a character or animal you've created before. I upload a small kitten named Topol and write that the cat is exercising and building muscles. Then you can choose the background music. There are 3 options. Let the site generate music based on your topic. Choose trending music. Upload any track you like by selecting Other. Next, set your video duration, let's say 7 seconds. Specify how many shots your video should have. I'll set it to 5. Then select the video format and click Create Video. Now you can see the results, and this video can easily get lots of views online. Video extension. This is where Pollo 2.0 really shines. Have you ever wanted to extend a video you created? Other tools might give you only 5 or 10 seconds, or the quality is low, and the scene suddenly changes. Pollo solves this problem completely. You can extend any video. For example, AI-generated videos or videos you uploaded, even short videos from the internet. You can set the extension length from 1 to 7 seconds. This flexibility is excellent. The scene stays consistent, movements continue naturally, and lighting and characters remain coherent, with no strange jumps in the visuals. Click AI Tools, then AI Video Extender. Set the model to Pollo 2.0, upload your video, input your prompt, and choose your mode. Fast mode generates your video quickly with less focus on details. Professional mode focuses on details, with higher quality but takes longer. Adjust the duration, resolution, and click Create. Your video is extended effortlessly. With Pollo, you can create high-quality, realistic videos, produce sound, music, and effects exactly as you want, extend any video, maintain a consistent character across multiple scenes, test and combine different styles, and all of this using a single all-in-one tool. If you haven't tried it yet, now is the perfect time. Maybe the first spark of a big idea is waiting for you. Until the next video, take care, digital friend.